Sorry, we will continue now the rest of that assignment 2 there for SAT 1 and NTS. Question number 10 now. 3 minus 7, that is equal to minus 4. So our choice is there C. Then question number 11 now. If 1 is added to the denominator of a fraction, it becomes half. And if 1 is added to the numerator, then the fraction becomes 1. Find the fraction is. So we are going to do it with this part. Let the fraction is supposed to be equal to x over y, where x is the numerator and y is the denominator. The first statement is that if 1 is added to the denominator of that fraction, so that means what? X over y plus 1 is equal to half. Let's say it is equation number 1. And the second statement, if 1 is added to the numerator, that is x plus 1 over y, and that thing is equal to 1. Let's say that is equation number 2. Now you have to solve x and y for that. Since if we cross multiply for 1, 2x is equal to y plus 1, and for 2, it should be equal to x plus 1 is equal to y. Now we put y into this, so 2x is equal to x plus 1 plus 1. 2x minus x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to x plus 1, so it should be equal to 2 plus 1, and that is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. So the required fraction is basically equal to 2 by 3. And this is the answer of this question. Is 2 by 3 is C part. So for question number 11, C is the right choice of this portion there. Then how many two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 6? Since we are going to find out first the list of these 6 table there, so it should be equal to 6, 12, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96, 102, and so on. But they are asking the two-digit number, so it means 6 and 102 onwards, that will be eliminated there. So they are starting from this 12 and they are going to 96. So either you can count these numbers or you can use this arithmetic progression formula there, a plus n minus 1 to d, because they are constantly increasing with the difference 6 there. So an is 96, a value is the starting value, which is 12 there, and we don't know minus 1, and d is 6 because the difference between these two is 6 there. So it should be equal to 96 is equal to 12 plus 6 and minus 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6, and 6 is subtracted from this, so it should be 90 is equal to 6 and r, n is equal to 690 over 6, that is equal to 15. So 15 is the right answer of this choice, which is equivalent to D part of this. So for this question number 12, D is the answer of this choice there. Then we are going to solve the next part, question number 13. A number whose fifth part is increased by 5 is equal to its fourth part diminished by 5. So these are the words problem. We should know that fifth part of that the number is supposed to be x. Then they are asking that fifth part, so that is what 1 over 5 of x is increased by 5. Increase means what? Plus 5. Is means what? Is equal to its fourth part of, that means what? 1 over 4 of x. Diminished means what? Decreased by 5. So it should be equal to x minus 5. This should be equal to 1 over 4x minus 1 over 5x is equal to 5 plus 5. So here 20 is the LCM. 5x minus 4x is equal to 10, or x over 20 is equal to 10, or x is equal to 200. So x is equal to 200 is the answer of this C part. So for this question number 13, C is the right choice of this portion there. Then question number 14. 5 of A into 5 of B is equal to 5 of C over 5 of D, where D is in terms of A, B, C. So question number 14. 5 of A into 5 of B is equal to 5 of C over 5 of D. Now we use the indices rule there. Since the bases are same, so it should be written as 5A power B, A plus B is equal to 5 power C minus D. Since the bases are same, so A plus B is equal to C minus D. Because we have to express D, so it should be equal to C minus A minus B is the answer of this solution. And this answer is basically equal to D part. So D is the answer of this question number 14 there. Then 15. Which of the following is equal to 3 power 8 into 3 power 9 whole power 10? 3 power 8 into 3 power 9 whole power 10. Since these two bases are same, so power will be added. 8 plus 9 is 17 whole power 10. Since powers are there, with the help of this a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So this will become 3 power 170. So this is 3 power 170 is the choice B there. So for this question number 15, the choice is B. Then if 15, this is question number 50, 16 now. If P lies between 0 to 1, which of the following is the numbers which are in the increasing order? So we know one thing, that P is going to lie between 0 and 1 there. And we have explained it in our notes that whenever it lies between 0 to 1, then square of that number is always less than the original number. So p square must be less than p, and p is less than p square root, because they have given three options: p square, p, and square root of p. So this means p square is less than p is less than p square root. So this is the ascending order of this number in this equation there. So which is the right choice here? First p square, then p, and then square root of p. That is our D choice. So the answer of this question is D. Question number 17 now. The square root of 5 plus cubic root of x is equal to 3. So if we take the square on both sides, 5 plus x cubic root must be equal to 3 power 2. So that is 5 plus x cubic root is equal to 9. Our x cubic root is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. Our x root x is equal to 4 power 1 by 3, because it's the cubic root. So that thing is equal to 64. So answer of this portion is A. Then they are solving question number 18. X power x square root of x is equal to x power 1 over and you are going to find out the value of x there. Since it should be equal to x into x power half, that is equal to x into x power half whole power x. It should be equal to x power 1 plus 1, 3 by 2, that is equal to x power 3 by 2 whole power x. Or it should be equal to x power x 3 by 2 is equal to x power 3 by 2x. Since the bases are same, so power must be equal. So x power 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2x. But 3 by 2 is basically x into x power half. That is 3 by 2x, x and x cancel. So x power half is equal to 3 by 2, or x taking square on both sides. It should be equal to 9 by 4. And this answer is the choice B there. Then question number 11, sorry 19. 16 power 7 over 4 is equal to 16 power 7 over 4 is equal to 16 is basically equal to 2 raised power 4 power 7 by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. It should be equal to 2 power 7, and that thing is equal to 2 6 or 64 128. So 128 is the answer of this question for B part. Then question number 20. Four over 5 of a number exceeds its 2 by 3 by 8. The number is since it is a word problem, so 4 over 5 of a number, let the number is equal to x. 4 out of 5 of x. Exceeds means what? More. 2 by 3 of, so 2 by 3 of x plus 8, because it is exceeding 8 of that. So it can be simplified. 4 over 5x minus 2 by 3x is equal to 8. Here 15 is the LCM. So 4 3s are 12x minus 10x is equal to 8. It should be equal to 2x is equal to 15 into 8 is 120, or x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 is the choice for this B part. So question number 20 is having x is equal to 60 of this answer there. So this is the first assignment we have done with the arithmetic part of the numbers. I hope you will understand all these questions, and then we are going to do in the next assignment there.